I've been really enjoying it. All the people that I've met so far, including the staff and the people behind the scenes, they've been so nice, and I'm having a lot of fun.
It's been really great, actually. I was kind of like impressed because I was sort of expecting, you know, you hear workshop. I'm expecting like we were going to be locked in the hotel the whole time and just making presentations and stuff, but this has been really great. Yeah.
It's been a lot of fun. I feel like I've learned a lot about Jeju that I didn't know before, and done a lot of things that I didn't do last time that I was here. Just grateful to have gotten that experience before I leave, and also have made a lot of last-minute friends and gotten to meet a lot of people, so it's been a lot of fun.
It's been very fun. It's nice getting to know everyone around here, and it's been very fun to just see each other come together and figure out what to do for prospective teachers coming.
It's been amazing to be able to participate in the first of something with EPIK, and that they could do something this grand for all of us and to continue to share beyond Korea.